Tonight, we find out how badly you're losing. Sit down. Put the phone away. Oh, wait, you can't. It's financed. These are the numbers you should have by every age. Miss them, and I promise nobody is coming to save you. Especially not me, age 25. By 25, you need 3 months of expenses saved and 0 credit card debt. That's the whole assignment. And half of you already failed it, you absolute muppets. Here, for trying. Age 30. The gong of judgment. 1 full year of salary invested by 30. Not saved, invested. 60 grand earned, 60 grand working. Sweating yet? Good. Sweat is honest. And do not tell me about your car. Your car is not an asset. Your car is a $30,000 apology for not investing. Age 40. Now it gets serious. 3 times your salary invested by 40. 3. Because at 40, compounding is either your best friend or the friend you never called back. And it remembers. Time is the only thing I can't buy you. Behind at 25, fix it in a year. Behind at 30, pull both levers. Behind at 40, save 25%. Starting today. And stop celebrating minimums. Meeting the benchmark makes you average. Average retires at 67, tired and scared. You want out early? Double every number I just gave you. The numbers don't care about your feelings. 3 months saved by 25. 1 year invested by 30. 3 years by 40. Screenshot it. Tattoo it. I don't care. Just stop losing. Class dismissed, peasants. Now go check your net worth and try not to cry on the scoreboard. Get